Hi, I'm going to be going over how to create a clearance in RPM 14, which is for items that live in RMS 14. We use these two different systems to create these clearances. So what we're going to want to do is navigate to RPM 14, and when you log in, it will just be your computer login information. So it will pop up to this screen and it will say welcome with your name, and it will give you all of the options right here of what we can do in RPM. So for this specific example, we are going to be creating a clearance. So we're going to want to click clearance and create clearance. You will want to note that RPM is one of our slower systems, so it may take a little bit longer for everything to clock just for you to get into the system. So it's not going to be a surprise. Nothing's really wrong if you are really having those lag issues. Okay, so when this field finally generates, it will give you all of the options to create the clearance. So first of all, we're going to do the effective date. It will always be next day. You can never create an effective date for the same day. So I'm going to make mine effective actually on Monday. And then you're going to need to enter in a reason code. This one is just a general clearance, so it'll be 10, select. And the change amount, you're going to enter in either a fixed price or % off. Usually the buying office will give you a fixed price. So I want this item to be $100 and 99 cents. So from here, you can enter in a reset date if you want it, but for this, we're just creating a clearance. It will stay on this clearance, go forward. And then you will need the zone group. So you can hit the love button. So it'll be 500 always for the zone group. And the zone should be 501. Perfect. And so from there, you're going to want to make sure that you enter that in and you hit select. That will carry over down here. And then the department for the item that you're going to be updating. So I want to update department 24. And then one thing you will note with RMS 14 clearances, they need the item level. So I was given a VPN by the buying office. So what I'm going to need to do is find that item. So I'm going to navigate back to RMS 14. And I'm going to paste in my VPN and my item level search. I'm going to go by style and search. And perfect, I've got that. So I'm going to copy this item right here. I'm going to navigate back to RPM and I'm going to paste that and it will do its search. And then you're always going to want to have a diff in there. So this one only has red. I'm going to select that guy. Oops, double click in here, click once in here and select. And then you're going to hit select on this button to move it down into this view. And from here, when you have all of that information, you are going to slide down and click apply. So once we get to here, it will pop up so you can see everything that is living on here. You can see it is a clearance for this specific item. And then with the action, you're going to do submit, and then you'll let that sit. And then once it submits, you will switch back and do approve. With this specific example, I don't actually need this item to be on clearance. So you will be able to go back. You will get a little pop up down here once it's ready, and you can navigate back to do your approve. And that is how you create a clearance in RPM 14. Thank you.